How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
So this is a 2018 XSE. SE means it's a sport edition. So this actually has a 3.5 liter 6-cylinder. 301 for horsepower and 267 torque. It's pretty fast. So we're gonna put all this to the test here. We're gonna do a little full throttle run. We're gonna do a big evasive swerve, but we're also gonna jam the brakes pretty hard too.
Right, cool.
So we have the traction control off and all that. So it's set up for some pretty fun events here. All right, as soon as they are out of our way, we're gonna hit the road here.
All right.
Ready? Not bad, right?
Not bad.
Yep.
That was the ABS.
Yeah, so you heard the anti-lock brake system kicking in. These cars also have a pre-collision system where the car does automatic braking. So if you come flying up behind somebody at a traffic light or something, maybe you don't see them, that's when the system's going to intervene and actually automatically apply those brakes. We have some pretty fun camera systems here, front view facing camera as well as the bird's eye. Excuse me. The bird's eye is pretty cool. Works off of camera imagery from all around the car, but then stitches those individual images together to show you this view. Very helpful for backing into a space, parallel parking, anything of that nature. Alright, so we're going to pull up here. We're going to do a little 180, alright?
Alright.
Okay, you ready? Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. I do that in the snow.
Do you? On purpose or by accident?
On purpose.
Could use a little water on the J-turn, please. Alright, so we're going to pull up here. Come up here, we're going to do a little 270. You ready?
Yep.
Not bad, right?
Nice, nice.
Alright, cool, man. Any questions on the car?
So, how much is this?
So these start off, base price for XSE, it starts off at $35.
Ah, okay, okay.